Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the little bell so you can get all of the notifications when all of my videos go live. This is going to be me decorating my mini vertical planner, and it is November 8th through the 14th. I was thinking of using this really beautiful sticker book called Bold and Blush. It has lots of orange and black, and then a little bit of Color Story has this new big Color Story has some good Bold and Blush stickers in here as well. And I feel like these back here are a little bit smaller, so that would be good for my mini. So let's go ahead and start. I know that there are these that are definitely gonna fit perfectly in a vertical space. So I'm gonna do this one, Enjoy Where You Are Now. And then also back here is this strip. Okay. Hopefully you can't hear my dogs too much, but they're in here with me. Okay. There. Okay. Now, as far as things that I need, I think I can do a lot of decorating, but I also really like these. I'm going to put in these that say cook, so I can put in what I'm making for dinner each night, because I like those stickers. I like that font. Okay. But maybe I want to use the peach colored ones. Okay, cook. I also want to put this. And cook. I don't know if I want to say, well, I'll do it anyways. It seems kind of repetitive, but I don't know when else I would use them, so I'm gonna do it anyways. Let's do cook. Okay, so I definitely have a plan for each of those things, but then we have family that may or may not be here. They'll definitely be here Saturday night, but I don't know about Friday. Probably not Sunday. So I'll put down one for Sunday. So peach, orange, peach, orange, peach, orange, peach. Let me put a peach one. Well, I don't know if oh, there we go. Okay. This was a busy day, Monday, so that is crooked. These are kind of big. I don't know if I want to do that. Let me see for a second. I can definitely do a circle on Saturday for when they're gonna be here. Okay. And then also over here, could do this. This is cute. Whatever it takes. I like that it would like be two circles kind of overlapping. I like that. I like this. Be love and light. And these boxes, be kind and be brave. This fits perfectly. Kind of put it right here. I always think that looks so good when there's like a long quote all the way across. And then maybe something right here. This book has a lot of quotes and I'm not mad about it. I really like it. Say to do. Well, okay, I think that's it. Okay, there we go. I really didn't use much from this. I like it. It's very like monochromatic, only orange and peach. I like it, I like it. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.